Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one, okay? So what does the Lego piece make? So Sincere, for me, when I see times 6, I didn't see times 6. I see what? Times 2 and times 3. Get it, Eva? Okay, so when you see 14, what do I see? 2 times 7. Get it, Ariel? Okay, so now you're going to see on the left, we have times 2 times 3. So here, if I collect it with times 2 times 3, Violet, so what is the part that which is showing up on the right but didn't show you on the left? 7. So we're done. 7 times 6 equals 14 times 3. Get it? So if you regarded every single question like that, every question is very easy. So for instance, 4 times 12 equals what times 3? Of course, you can do 48 and divide by 3. But for me, everybody, I have what? 12 equals what? Equals 3 times 4, right? So we have 3 times the common thing. So what is it missing? 4 times 4. So here must be 16. Get it, everybody? So this is just taking every number as a Lego piece will be very helpful. So for instance, everybody, what times 2 equals 7 times 4? 4 equals what, Ava?
2 times 2.
2 times 2. So we have a times 2 here. They crossed. And what's left? Can you tell me?
7.
这边还有个2呢。
2.
2 times 7 equals?
2 times 7 equals 14.
Get it? Okay, so I'm going to just do it again, okay? Ariel, take a look. So what times 2 equals 7 times 4? So I'm going to rewrite it, okay? I don't think you all understand it. Emma 应该懂了，我再说一遍啊。So I'm going to rewrite it as what times 2 equals 7 times 2 times 2. Get it? So because the both left side and right side, Cynthia, both have times 2, so they're gone. So which here? 2 times 4. Sorry, 2 times 7 equals 14. Get it? So why we're doing this, everybody? So when we're learning something harder next week, so we're going to have x squared minus 4x, sorry, something like that, okay? So we're learning something like that. So x times x plus 4 equals x times y plus 2. So do we have to really calculate it? No, because the both left side and right side have the same thing. Or if you have 3 times 4 plus x equals 6 times 2 plus 1y. So all you need to do is what? Here is 3 times, here is 6 times, so 2 times 3, okay? So we're going to learn this part today, okay? Don't worry about it if you think, oh, it's getting hard. Yes, so you didn't learn this one yet, okay? So Emma and Violet and everybody, I'm going to ask you to take a look at this one, okay? I think Ava and Cynthia didn't learn this one before, but Ariel, Emma, and Violet has been with me for a long time. And also Serena, she's not here. So the good thing, everybody, is this class is all girls, okay? Girls have better memories than boys. 对吧？男孩子学过都忘了啊，我们班小姑娘都记得。Okay, everybody, do you still remember if I give you 4 times 2 plus 4 times 98? How are you going to do this question, Violet? Violet, 叫你拿在玩头发。
Oh, okay, I know how.
你不叫 Violet。 OK 好，我们 Violet 现在下线了啊。Emma。Violet 等一下把这段放给你妈妈看啊，你完了。
Because they both have 4 times. You just first write down 4 times. You put
4 times 2 plus 98. Very good. Equals what? 4 times 100 equals 400. Very good, Emma. Ava and Cynthia, do you understand this part? Okay, because both of them having the common part, which is 4 times. So we can take them out and do this one. So why this is easier? So area, you like doing this, or you want to do 4 times 2 equals 8, and 4 times 98 equals 4 times 8 equals 32. So 932, then 400. Which one you think is better? The left one or the right one?
Right.
Of course, right one, right? Because for 4 times 98, it still have possibility that you're going to making mistakes, correct, Cynthia? Right? So that's the same thing, not mentioned if we have 4 times 202 plus 4 times 798. So when the number's getting bigger, it's better you do this way, right? Okay, so today I'm going to, first we review whatever happened before, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't worry about it, Ava. I'm going to explain the questions that you think is a little bit problem later after this, okay?
Do we send it to you in the chat?
Huh?
Do we send it to you in the chat?
Yeah, of course. So we have the first one. It's very easy. Second one. Number 2, number 3. Yeah. 我就把答案给你写出来。OK， 5道题目啊。第6条题目是横纹。Yes.让他自己下来。你冷不冷？不冷，so far no.
I send you the answer, Carrie.
OK, very good. 哦，你跟 Elaine 涵一起那个比赛花滑是不是 ，Violet？你拿了 silver，他有没有拿奖？
I think probably silver too.
它也是 silver。什么叫 probably silver？你们不是在一起比赛吗？
I forgot. We were lined up.
哎呀，
哎呀，
哎呀，看看有没有人做对啊？还有没有小朋友发给我的 Ava、Cynthia 和 Ariel 加油啊！然后 Emma 和 Violet 两个人做完了题目检查一下啊，如果做错了就不太好了哟。
I didn't see the. I thought the second question was 4 times 959 times 4 times 104, but I didn't see the one. Wow.
对啊，那赶快改一改。
Can't say my answer. Can't say my answer.
OK， 好，我们先来看一下 Ariel 也发给我了。Ariel 有一道题目不对，OK， 再检查一下。大家他 Emma 和Violet 都做错的那道题，你做对了，所以你们女孩子应该大家商量一下以后，然后给老师答案。
I fixed my answer.
OK, Violet, congratulations, you get it all right.
I also fixed my answer.
Okay, good job, Emma. Okay, so check your answers, very important.
Uh-oh, Cynthia sent to everyone.
It's okay. Okay, so Cynthia 再检查一下啊，最简单的一道题目做错了。哦，Emma 好像也有一道做错了。
Cynthia telling herself.
Yeah, Emma 有一道做错了，Emma。Violet 现在是全对的。Violet 今天状态不错，哎，对，Violet 是全对。你看美了，美了，美了，开心了。OK， 加油啊 ！OK，Cynthia 改对了 ，Very good，Cynthia，Congratulations，Good job。
Oh,
Emma 有没有找到自己做错的？还有一道。
yes.
Ava，Good job，Ava，Very good。Ava Emma 虽然做的稍微慢一点，她一次性3给我就是对的啊，所以 Ava 也有一个 trophy。So the first time she get everything wrong. Okay, so everybody 谁掉出去啊？没有。Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first one, Ariel, I want you to take a look at this one. There's actually a 1, 2 times 1 missing, right? So what does it mean? It's 101, 2 plus together, minus 1. 那就是什么 2 times 101 minus 1. So equals 2 times 100 equals 200. Okay, everybody, when you do questions, you don't need to 老师就可以直接出200，对不对？那你们现在还不太熟练的时候，还是需要把过程都写出来 ，OK? So next one, 4 times 959 plus 1041 equals 4 times 2000. So the answer is 8,000. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 1/3 times 19 plus 2 equals 1/3 times 21 equals what? Equals 7. Okay, next one. 好，有些小朋友说，老师这里没有，那你看乘以3/4和4/3乘以 ，so that's totally the same thing. So 3/4 times 12.5 plus 3.5, so equals 3/4 times 16 equals 12. Okay. Next one. 100 times 95 plus 5 equals 100 times 100 equals 100 squared equals 1000.
10,000.
Okay, everybody get it? Okay, so we're going to practice a little bit for those questions later, but everybody doing pretty well. Okay, Ava, what is your WeChat name? 我要找到你的名字。你的名啊，我知道了。OK，我们就把这道题目看一下啊。OK，我们把这道题目看一下啊。OK，小朋友们能看到吗？
对。
Can you see it? Everybody? Hello? 能看到吗，小朋友们？
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so let's take a look at number 10, okay? So the average score will have to be, the average score will be 86 for the last test. He has to get 100 in order to make the average increase to 88. How many tests are there altogether? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 一开始的时候的平均分呢是86，对不对？ But do we know how many 86 are there? No. Okay, but we know the last test is 100. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. Remember, I said, in order to make the average changed to some number, it's what? It's your plus some numbers, right? So obviously we're 88, so it's plus 2, and plus 2, right? Everybody, did you get it? Okay, so now I want to ask Ariel. This 2 points, where did it comes from? Or comes from this 100 points. Get it, everybody? So that means 100 need to minus what? Minus 12 in order to make everybody the same. Okay, 最后一次考试减了12，对不对？最后呢加了这边一个，那12是不是都平均的分给这些？那12平均分给每个人多2分，那平均分给几次考试 ？How many tests are there? 是不是12 divided by 2 equals 6? Get it, everybody? So because they're minus 12, and here we have plus 6 plus 2, so that's why everybody is 88. So how many tests are there altogether? 6 plus 1. Why is plus 1? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a before that is 6. And the last one is 100. So plus together equals 7. Get it? Eva, do you understand? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. So everybody, I'm going to explain again. So we just say Violet take, I don't know how many tests, okay? We don't know before how many of them are there, but I just know that finally she got 100, right? But before she took the final 100 tests, the average of her before test is only 86 points, right? But after she took the last test, her average became 88. Okay, that means the 100 became 88 as well. Okay, so for every before test, she plus 2, correct? But for the last one, she minus 12 in order to make everybody the same. So remember, everybody, I have explained what does average mean. Average means I want to make everybody the same, correct? Okay, so if I want to make everybody the same, that means for the before test, each of the test I need to plus 2, and for the last one I need to minus 12. 好了，但是它所有分数是不是不变的？ 这里减了12，那这边就要加12 right? So each of the tests, I only plus 2 in order to make this 12 points equally shared with each test. That means how many tests I needed there? I needed 6 tests. Right? So now plus together equals what? Plus 12. And this one is minus 12. So plus 12 and minus 12, they're even. Get it? 因为在最后一次比赛里面，他考了100分，他要变成88分，要减少 need to minus 12 points. But for the before 6 classes, 6 tests, they need to evenly share this 12 points. So that's why 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So that means before there are 6 tests, and don't forget, totally there is 7 points. Okay, so that's the same thing. If I change the question, everybody, into, I don't know how many tests are there, but right now, the test became, let me see. After that, it's not possible. 90 points. Everybody became 90 points. Is it possible? No, it's impossible. Yeah, so I need to change the before into 87, I think. 87? No, 87. 87, 89? No, 不行. 85. 85. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, so before the average is 85. Now it became 90. So how many tests are there altogether? So you're going to find out, because 100 minus 90, so it's 10. So 10 points has been equally shared with this one. And each of them needed 5 points more. So we just finished it. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So altogether, there are 3 questions. Okay, so that is how we do it. Okay, understand everybody? Okay, so now we're looking forward. Okay, so everybody, we know that 4 times 2 equals 8. So that's why 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, right? So now we have learned that 4 times 2 plus 4 times 98 equals 4 times 100, right? But we need to learn how to backwards. Everybody? So how do we do it? So if I give you 4 times 2 plus 98, you need to understand that it is also equals 4 times 2 plus 4 times 98. Understand? Okay, so because you're just learning it, I want you to show me the arrow. Okay, everybody, Violet, 妈妈看好了，不要说哎，简单了，我肯定会做的。Okay, I want you to show me the arrow. So what does show me the arrow mean? So that means you have to do this. Okay, so 2 times 10 plus 2 times 95. You don't have to give me the answer. I only want you to do this. Okay, so this is grade 9 student. When they're learning math, they're going to find out, okay, this part is very, very hard, because a lot of them just skip. They do 2 times 10 plus 95. So this is wrong. Everybody, show me the arrow. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple questions together. So 1. Okay, everybody, please do it. 不用给老师啊，就做好了告诉我就行。
But you don't have to send it?
No.
But I'm already typing in the chat. that. I'm just gonna send it.
Okay, Carrie, I'm done.
Okay, very good.
I'm done.
Okay, good job. Okay, so this one's pretty easy, right? But why we're doing that, you probably won't feel that when we're learning those questions, but I'm going to show you why we're doing this, okay? This is all I want you to make everything easier, okay? So let's take a look at this one. If 4 times 100 and plus, not 2, let's just do the other one. 2 over 3 times 9 plus 6, okay? So if we do this one, 60, let's make it harder. So if you do them together, it's going to be a lot of work. But if you do this one, it's going to be what? 6 plus 40 equals 46. Get it? Because 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 60 divided by 3 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals 40. So it's 46. Get it, Ariel? So it's just can save you a lot of time, okay? And then let's take a look at this one. If we have 1 over 4 times 200 plus 40. So this one probably 1 over 4 times 240 will be better because it's just directly 60. So different questions, I should want you to have the different ability to calculate it. Okay, understand? So today, why we're learning this? Because we're learning one thing, it's called algebra, okay? So just give me 1 second. I need to find my algebra thing.
I hate algebra. It's complicated.
Why? Algebra is not bad. Okay, I find it. I find it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? I know it looks scary. So everybody, I want to ask you a very simple question, okay? So I think Ariel, Eva, Sincere must know how to do 4x plus 2x. Oh, sorry, you must know 4 plus 2 equals what? 6, right? But do you know 4x plus 2x equals what?
6x.
Very good, thank you. Okay, so do you know x times 4x plus 2x equals what?
6x.
So this one is 6x, right? So if x times 6x equals what? 6x squared. Remember, we have x plus x equals 2x, but if we have x times x equals what? X squared, okay? So everybody, x plus x equals what?
3x.
Very good. So x times x equals what?
X 3.
Very good. X cube, okay? So let's do the last one. X plus x equals what? X times x equals what?
Well, 4x.
That's the easy one. And then we
I
have
think the bottom is x4.
Very good. X power 4. So this one is what? 4x. Get it, everybody? Okay. So now I'm going to give you a couple questions, okay? So if I have y plus y, you must know it's 2y, right? But how about 2y plus y equals what?
3y.
Very good. 3y. Okay, everybody. So this is a harder question. So y times 2y plus y equals what? Everybody, think about it.
3y squared.
3y squared.
3y squared.
Very good. 3y squared. Good job. Okay, so now let's move forward to be something harder. Okay, so if we have x plus 2y plus y equals what?
2x plus 3y.
Thank you, Emma. Good job, because you cannot put x and y together. You can only put x together and y together. Good job. Number 2. Now it's harder, okay? So x times x plus 2y plus y. Now, everybody, your turn. You don't have to send it to me anything. Just用嘴巴告诉老师就行。
2x squared plus y.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So this one equals 2x plus 3y, right? Is it right like that? Because this one inside equals 2x plus 3y, right? So everybody, did you forget? 老师要跟你们说要一个小箭头，对不对？ Okay, so x plus times 2x, very good, 2x squared. Good job, Emma. But this one also plus what? 3xy. Everybody get it?
But
Get it, everybody? Okay, don't forget it. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, so number 3. Okay, number 3. So we have 2x plus 3y minus y equals what? Okay, number 4. Y times 2x plus 3y minus y equals what? Okay, 2 questions in a row.
do you have to send it to?
No? 哎呀，那个叫什么 Violet 要难过了。I send it to you. Violet, right?
Yeah. I send it to you, Carrie.
Okay, so first one.
Wow, okay, I'm finished, Carrie.
OK，那我们再等一下啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so the first one is pretty easy. It's 2x plus 2y. Everybody, don't you get it right? Okay, so the second one is y times 2x plus 2y. So everybody, I want you to have the arrow here at the very beginning to help you. So equals 2xy plus 2y squared. Okay, everybody. So there are some students say, 老师，那我说 2yx 行不行? Of course, it's still right. But because x is before y, so we usually put them into the alphabetic order. Understand? So it's going to be better if you do 2xy instead of 2yx. Violet? Okay, Emma?
Great.
Yeah, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So now let's do it harder one, okay? So I think everybody's getting better. Well, 难起来了啊。
I have to move my chat around. As you're writing everywhere.
Okay.
Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 questions, okay? So don't send me the answer. I'm going to call each of you. Heyo.
Wait, Carrie,
Mhm.
I have a question. Is the X beside the 1/3, is that a times or is that an X?
It's X. Time 都是小点。Okay, if you're finished, please just let me know. Just to send me like you're finished. OK，还在做啊，慢慢来，不着急。Okay, I'm starting to explain. Okay, everybody, maybe you're gonna be a little bit helpful if I starting to explain. So everybody, let's see. Okay, I'm going to do a little circle. Okay, so 1/3x times x equals what, Emma?
1/3x times x.
1/3x times x. So x times x equals what?
1/3x squared.
Very good. And plus
1/3x times 2y.
yeah, so the thing is, because we have a 2, okay, so first we need to do is number times numbers. Understand, everybody? So variable times variable. Okay, Cynthia? So 1/3 times 2 equals what?
2/3.
2/3. Thank you, Emma. Sorry, Cynthia. So x times y equals what? Equals x. Get it, everybody? So when we do that, remember number times numbers and variable times variable. Okay, next one. Good job, Emma. Very good. Next one, Cynthia, can you tell me the number 2, how to do it? So 2/3, x times x. Do we have this part? Do we have the number part? No.
Yeah.
So basically, just 2/3 x squared. Understand? Okay, so next one plus, so this one times, so number times number. So 2/3 times 3 equals what? 2/3 times 3 equals 2. Okay, so the fraction times whole number, we need to just review it. Okay, so 2xy, because x times y equals x. Get it? Cynthia? Okay, number 3, Ava. 1/4x times 8x. So first of all, we have this one times this one, so equals what?
1/4 x 8 squared 8.
Okay, so 1/4 times 8 equals what?
No. Yeah. Uh,
也不会做。So 1/4 times 8.
8.
1/4，那就是对。
2.
等一下，
2.
那你把我也关在外面。
2.
Okay, so 1/4 times 8, so equals what?
2.
Very good. So x times x equals what?
X times
X squared. Very good. Okay, next one. 1/4x times 4y.
1.
Very good. X times y equals what? X.
XY.
Very good. Good job. Okay, next one. I want to call Ariel.
Is it like 2/3? Wait,
5x minus 4x equals what?
1x?
Very good. So 2/3x. Done. Okay, so everybody, I want you to have the ability to read the question before you calculate. Don't be the slave of the questions, okay? There are a lot of students just, okay, I'm gonna do it. 对吧？就开始做了。其实要不要很复杂做的 Ariel？你看这道题，不用乘出来的，因为5x 减4x 就等于1个 x 呀，对不对？哎，我在这里挖了个陷阱，对不对？然后 Ariel 掉进去了，对吧？Ariel 在这儿，好，这个就是 Ariel。然后呢，他还在叫 help 啊，对吧？然后我们下面看看 Emma 有没有啊，Violet 有没有掉进去？OK，Violet, last question. Can you tell me how to do this? So 1/6. So x and 18 cannot be combined together. So 1/6 times x equals what?
1/6x.
Very good. 1/6x plus 1/6 times 18 equals what?
3. No,
Very
no.
good.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Three.
Okay, good job. Everybody understand? Okay, good job. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this is the hardest one. Like, okay, 好，刚才的学会了啊。
Carrie, can I go use the washroom?
Of course. No, Ariel, you can't. You have to pee on the pants. No, I'm kidding. Go, Ariel. I'm sorry. Okay, so 2/3 y 乘以 y 加 x squared，哈哈，这两道题最难了啊，后面稍微简单一点，好不好？不然的话，你们觉得啊，这个老师太坏了。Emma 在笑，Emma，你心里是不是这么想的啊？啊，真是，我不说出了你的心声，是不是？真是笑得那么开心，这回家作业给你 double。你哇什么 Violet？你哇什么？Violet 说：“Oh, I don't care. Just give me hundreds of the homework." Violet, right?
No.
Okay, everybody, 5 questions. Okay, your turn.我就下去倒杯水啊，小朋友们。
Do we have to send it to her?
Probably not. How do you even type squared on the computer?
You just do it too.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna send it to her. She says we don't have to.
She didn't say anything. Well, who cares now? He's away, so we get to play.
think I did that right.
星星来看看一共有几个 x 啊？这个题目就是要看谁的心细。
Carrie, do we have to send it to you? Carrie?
Yeah, 你不用 send it to you.
Oh, okay. My speaking.
What's the fourth question? Is it an X or a times?
Times.
Oh.
What? Okay, Carrie, I think I finished.
Okay, good job. 加油啊！最后1分钟。Okay, so girls, I'm going to start to explain, okay? I hope everybody get it right. So the first question I'm going to call Ariel. Okay, Ariel? So could you please help me? Tell me, like, how do we do this one? You're gonna read the question first, right?
1/4x times 8x plus 4x.
So which one you gonna do first?
1/4x times 8x.
I'm gonna do these
No,
two first.
8x plus 4x.
Yeah, so it's 1/4x times 12x. Get it? because these two can combine together, right? So 1 over 4 times 12 equals 3. X times x equals x squared. Get it? So remember, number times numbers or number plus, so the number do it together first, then the variables. Okay, very good, Ariel. Next one, Violet.
3 over 2y squared plus.
Trust yourself. 再来，继续，对的，第一个对了，继续。
Plus 3 over 2xy squared.
X squared y.
I mean x squared y.
Very good. You're right. Okay, next one, Emma. Emma, you need to turn on the volume. I cannot hear you. I cannot read your lips. You know, I can read some lips, but this one's so hard.
First, it's 3x plus 5x
Squared plus
5x
y. X what? 5x what? 没有啦。
y.
Very good, xy. Don't forget the y, okay? So this one times this one equals 3x squared. And this one times this one is, so 20 divided by 4 equals 5. X and y. Don't forget the x, okay? Very good. Next one, Eva.
18 plus 36y.
Okay, so 18. So this one times this one, right? So equals what?
Equals
So 2 over 9 times 18 equals what, Eva? Just do 2 times 18, then divided by 9. Correct?
Equals 3.
So 2 times 18 equals what? Equals 36. 36 divided by 9
by 9
equals
Thir-
what?
4.
Very good. So 4. Okay. So don't forget there's an x. So 4x. Okay.
4x
So the
plus 36y.
no. Again, you need to this one time this one. Okay?
Plus-
So remember, yeah. So 36 times 2 equals 72. 72 divided by 9 equals 8. 8 xy.
8xy.
Yeah. So every time, Ava, you must have a circle. So remember, 是这个数乘以这个数和这个数再乘以后面那个数。It's not like 这个数乘以这个数，后面这个数就不用再乘它了 because he is outside the bracket. So every time you need to do it. Understand? Okay, so number 5. 4 over 5y times 100y minus 5x. Okay, so Cynthia, you know it is your turn. You know that. Come on.
4 over 5y times 100y
Equals what?
equals 80y.
So very good, 80. But it's y times y. So how many y's are there?
Y
Squared. Get it? So there are 2 y's. Okay, so next one. So 4 over 5 times 5 equals what?
4.
Okay, very good. So minus 4. So y times x equals what? X.
xy.
Okay, get it? Get it, everybody? Okay, so Ava, so if you understand 3 and Cynthia, okay? 3 times 4 plus 5 equals 3 times 4 and 3 times 5. So that's the same thing if you have 3x times 2x plus 4y. So that's the same thing. You need to do 1 by 1, okay? So what does 1 by 1 mean? I want you to listen to me, okay? So the number first. So 2 times 3 equals what? Equals 6. Then you think about the variable. So the variable is x and another x, so that's why it's x squared. Okay, then you do the second one, the same thing. So still an arrow. So 3 times 4 equals what? Equals 12. And then you think about x and y. So x times y equals xy. Okay, so there's a very important thing is Ariel, Cynthia, and Ava. I think you're not very quickly doing this. For instance, 4 times 1 over 2. Or 3 times 2 over 9, something like that. So how do we do it? Okay, I want you to quickly take a look. So there's a trick. So 4 times 1 over 2 actually equals 4 over 1 times 1 over 2. Okay, so Emma and Violet know that. And this everybody know that as well. Every single whole number can be transferred into a fractional form. Okay, 任何数. So 2 could be 2 over 1, could be 4 over 2, could be 6 over 3. Okay, so as long as you want, every number could be transferred into a fractional form. For instance, 2.5 equals 2 and 1 over 2. So why we're doing that? 4 equals 4 over 1. So basically, how you do it is 4 times 1 over 1 times 2. So it's 4 over 2 equals 2. But this one is very complicated. How you do? You're just using 4 times 1 divided by 2. Because 1 over 2 equals what? Equals 1 divided by 2. So this one is actually equals to division. Okay? So that's why when I calculate the triangle's area, I always do base times height divided by 2. I don't do base times height divided by 2. Okay, so I'm going to explain why I'm doing this. Okay, why I like the division, but I like the fraction better than the division. I'm going to explain it to you, and it's going to save you a lot of time. Okay, for instance, I have a base as 4, and I have a height of 32. So obviously, it's a very tall triangle. Okay, I want to calculate the area of this guy. So if you do 4 times 32 divided by 2, so you need to times 4 times 32 equals 128 and divided by 2 equals 64. It's going to be a lot of calculations. But instead, if you do 4 times 32 divided by 2, and both the top and bottom divided by the same thing, it's not going to change the value of the fraction. So I'm going to divide it by 2 equals 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So directly, 32 times 2 equals 64. Okay, so fractions much better than the division. For instance, if I have a base equals 32 and a height equals 14. So when we do this, 32 times 14 is going to be a lot of work. 32 times 14 divided by 2 in order to calculate the area of the triangle. But if I'm using my way, so 32 times 14 divided by 2. So I'm going to do this. So 7 and 1. So this one equals 224. Much easier because I don't want to do 2-digit calculations. Okay, but 2-digit times 1-digit is much easier. Understand, Ariel? Okay, so don't even, if I give you numbers, A equals 2 times 8 times 4 times 10, okay? B equals 32 times 4 times 5, okay? So if I have this one, so A divided by B will be very complicated, Ava and Cynthia, right? Very complicated because you want to try that. But if you're using the division line, so sorry, instead of the division, I'm using the fraction. So you can take a look at this one. 8 times 4 equals 32, so they're gone. 20 times 10 equals 4 times 5, so in 1, 1, so the answer is 1, so it's gone. Get it? So it's much, much, much functional than you just to calculate them out. Okay, everybody, so let's do the last questions, and this question will be very easy, I promise you, okay?
Do we have to send you in the chat?
Yes, you can send me in the chat. So x equals 2 and y equals, sorry, x equals 5, y equals 2, okay? So please calculate these 5 questions. So 2x plus 5y equals what? Okay, 1 over 5x plus 1 over 2y equals what? Okay, 2x plus 4y equals what?
Oopsie, you didn't see anything.
0.1x plus 0.1y equals what? 0.2x plus 0.2y equals what? Okay, everybody think about these questions, and this time, Violet, you get what you want. Finally，哎，你们不要觉得 Violet 学的哦，Violet 今天怎么学的这么好呀？我跟你讲，Violet 小的时候啊，也是天天被我打
I
屁股
was。so dumb. I was so dumb when I was little.
Only gets better, right, Violet? Correct? 还没有人发给我啊。
I sent you the answer, Carrie.
都做好啦。哎，我觉得 Violet 最近真的不错哎，要不然我去你妈妈面前表扬你。要的，OK，好。
Yay.
你妈妈跟我说，她都想把你吃掉了。看起来没什么用，吃起来大概还挺香的。
Considering she eats my brain.
No, Violet，对不对？你要跟她说，你说我们都是很聪明的小朋友，对不对？啊、
Okay, Carrie, I'm finished.
OK，Thank you, Emma。哎呀，两个人答案有点不一样。
I don't know.
Violet，你又做错了。
Oh, where?
我能告诉你吗？我告诉你不是就那个了吗？每次都这样子的。然后I fixed it，fixed 不算，我跟你讲，fix 就算错了。
I'm innocent.
什么 you innocent？要不要老师讲啦？Emma 对的，OK 好。哎呀，Ariel，good job，Cynthia，good job。哎呀，你看 Violet 做最快，错了一题，白做。我跟你讲，
哪个题？
我不告诉你，我为什么要告诉你？
It's either number 4 or number 5.
那你自己都知道哪里错了，你为什么不能做对呢？这个那么简单的，真是。好了，没得表扬了，不表扬了，不跟你妈妈说了，我们内部表扬一下。Okay, so x equals 2. So 2 times 5 plus 5 times 2. So the answer is 20. Ta-da! Okay, next one. 1 over 5 times 5 plus 1 over 2 times 2 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ta-da! Next one, 2 times 5 plus 4 times 2 equals 18. Ta-da! Next one, 0.1 times 5 plus 0.1 times 2 equals 0.5 plus 0.2 equals 0.7. 那某个小朋友，某个 V 开头的小朋友。Okay, so next one. 0.2 times 5 plus 0.2 times 2 equals 1 plus 0.4 equals 1.4. Okay, everybody, so that is the answer, okay? So if you make mistakes, don't worry about it because you know what? This is a part that the grade 8 student or grade 9 student is going to learn based on
I'm
which
grade
school.
5.
Yeah, but based on which school you're in, right? But the thing is, let me ask you, Ariel, do you think it's hard? No, right? It's a little bit just because you just don't want you to establish this algebra function thinking. Is when you see the bracket, you know it's like that, okay? Just to bring the arrow for help. And later on, like you as smart as your teacher, then you don't need the arrow anymore. But right now, you still need the arrow. Okay, it's okay. Like I was like you when I was your age, I don't even know what is algebra, and I'm not learning anything like that at all. So you're really cool already. Understand? But the thing is, when we're learning something new, we need a little bit help. So this is a little bit help. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class, and I wish see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow, next week. Okay, so get ready for your homework and send it to me. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Okay, everybody. 我今天剪了个头发，然后又剪坏了。哎。It's a disaster. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's class and wish you have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.